Ayy, walking and licking my drip, licking my wrist. AP got me sick. You could go blind, stop staring at it. I'm killing these beats, someone get a med kit. I'm with two baddies, they lit just like Megan. That mean.
Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel. If y'all want to see how I laid this closure wig, it's a 5x5 closure, so it stops right here on both sides. Continue to watch. So now I'm just spraying the lace with the Even Lace Scent Spray in the shade Dark Brown. I don't know, I think I'll be using too much, y'all. Let me know if y'all be doing wigs or not. And then I blow dry it. And yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here. I didn't glue the cap down, the cap, because I didn't plan on having this on for long, so this was perfectly fine, and it matches my skin perfectly, so I had no problems with that. But now you just see, I'm making sure the part, y'all gotta make sure the part, if you already pre-plucked the part, that is like actually in the middle of your head and it's not lopsided, because if you wait after you glue it, you're gonna be like, what the fuck, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm just cutting the lace, zigzag, 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 with some scissors, y'all. If y'all beginners and y'all know y'all clumsy, don't use the little straight razor that a lot of people be using, because I done messed up my forehead because of that. So I just use scissors now, and it's actually easier, and it gets the same job done. And you want to cut the little end pieces off when you have like a closure wig, because it's going to be annoying. So yeah, I'm cutting off both those sides, and now I'm just wiping my forehead off with some alcohol. And now I'm spraying the Got To Be and just like rubbing it in. Basically spray the Got To Be how far you want the lace to be on your forehead, if that makes sense. The farther you spray down, the more you want the wig on your forehead, basically. And then some people just end up cutting the excess lace if it's lifting, because that means that's not where they want it, if that makes sense. I don't know if that was confusing or not. But yeah, move it, make sure it's even. I just tap it in with the end part until it's all melted. And if it's a spot that looks like it didn't take, I'll just like go and spray some more Got To Be. But I think it all like melted the first time. Doing like closure wigs is like very, very easy. So I suggest, if you're a beginner, definitely get this wig. And it was really cute as fuck, as y'all can see in the beginning. And if y'all see how I just melted into my skin, like it's literally zoomed in, and it's like wet lace. I know some people be saying wet lace, and it's like that lace right there. See, that part is lifted on the end, but I don't think I cared. Or I think I sprayed some more, I don't know. But yeah, wet lace, when it's melted, it's like you can't see it. It's really very much giving scalp. So now I'm just pulling out the baby hairs. Am I talking too much? I don't know. I'm putting out the baby hairs, and now I'm about to put a scarf on. I'll be back. I'm back, and I'm about to take, oh wait, no. Before I take the scarf off, I like to wet my hair when I have curly hair. I just don't know why, but I just rather prefer spraying the hair while the scarf is still on. And I hate the little pieces in the front from the baby hair, so I just cut it because I don't like that in my face. But y'all, this hair was so thick and so pretty, and this is the water wave. I don't know if I mentioned it before or it's gonna be in the title, but this is a water wave like hair texture, and it's so pretty and thick and long. And just really soft and malleable. I can't really explain it, because I had water wave hair before, and it wasn't hitting on this at all. It was actually very kind of nappy. Anyways, I'm about to take the scarf off and do our favorite part, which is the baby hair. Like, for me, I think even in general, because some people do like wigs without baby hairs, and it's cute. But for me, baby hairs like make their hairstyle. And right here, I was gonna do a side part, but it's like side parts don't really work that good with closures unless you like tilt, like put on the wig sideways, if that makes sense. So I try to do a side part. You'll see me move it back to the middle part soon. But yeah, I'm just taking foam and holding and swooping, holding and swooping. You gotta make sure to hold it. And when I do my baby hairs again, I like to like between the little that swoop that I'm doing now and the middle swoop, I like to make it really short in between and have it to where it's like straight basically in the middle and it just kind of like spikes out. You'll see what I'm talking about because that shit sounds so confusing how I said that. But it's gonna take me a while to get this right. So yeah, be patient, y'all. If it don't turn out like right after the first try, don't give up because I tell y'all, I swear it be taking me like 10 minutes to do this. Like it looks fast, but like this really be taking me 10 minutes alone to like make sure my edges are exactly how I want. Some people are gifted with like just doing it in 0.5 seconds, but not I. So yeah, just take y'all's time. I'm pretty sure y'all end up getting it right. I messed up my edges somehow doing something. I don't really know. But I'm redoing it. And if y'all like this hair, make sure to check the description down below. Everything, the direct hair link will be there. So check it out. So this is the finished